In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove remarket ads manually in Firefox in just 3 simple steps. If you're seeing annoying remarketing ads, pop-ups, or sponsored suggestions that keep following you around, this quick fix can help clean things up and make Firefox feel normal again. And if you want more easy browser tutorials like this, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to remove any rogue extensions that may be causing these ads in the first place. A lot of remarketing ads are actually triggered by hidden adware extensions, so this is an important first step. Open Firefox, then click the hamburger menu in the top right corner of the window. That's the 3 horizontal lines icon. From the menu, go to Extensions and Themes. Once the page opens, click the Extensions tab on the left side. Now carefully look through your list of add-ons. If you see anything strange, unfamiliar, or something you don't remember installing, that's a red flag. To remove it, click the 3 dots next to the extension and choose Remove. If Firefox asks you to confirm, go ahead and approve it. It's a good idea to remove anything suspicious, especially if you started seeing ads after installing something new. Next, we're going to change a hidden Firefox setting that can allow sponsored suggestions to appear in the address bar. Open a new tab in Firefox, then click into the address bar and type About Config. Press Enter on your keyboard. Firefox will show a warning message here, so click the button that says Accept the risk and continue. Don't worry, this is normal for advanced settings. Once you're inside the configuration page, use the search bar at the top and paste in browser URL bar .suggest.quicksuggest.sponsored. This setting controls sponsored suggestions in the address bar. When the result appears, look to the far right and click the toggle button. You want to change the value from true to false. That helps reduce sponsored content and makes your browser cleaner and less cluttered. Now for the third step, we're going to block pop-up windows and third-party redirects inside Firefox settings. Click the menu button again, then click Settings. In the Settings page, look for Permissions and Data. Scroll down until you find the option for blocking pop-ups and third-party redirects. Tick the box to enable it. This is a simple but powerful way to stop unwanted windows, redirects, and aggressive ad behavior from interrupting your browsing experience. Once that's enabled, Firefox will do a much better job of keeping intrusive content out. And that's it. In just 3 steps, you've removed suspicious extensions, disabled sponsored suggestions, and blocked pop-ups and third-party redirects in Firefox. These changes can make a big difference if you've been dealing with annoying remarket ads that keep coming back. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.